Hey, Mr. Barrett. My name's Max. I just got off the phone with your receptionist, and she said you would be the guy to send this video to. It really just kind of shows you what we do, how we do it, and how we can help grow your business through an online presence. So really the general gist here of this video is to show you the three main ways that we can help you rank in Google for select key terms that are being searched every month. Okay? So, and I know that these particular key terms are being searched every month because I use this software called Barretts, and it shows me that there's 280 searches every month for painters in Augusta, Georgia, and it gives me their exact terms. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to start off with is content on your homepage. And so if we copy everything that you see here, including what these images are saved as, and just every word on your homepage, and then we throw it into this word counter, shows me that you have 403 words on your homepage, which is a pretty good start, and I will say that your website does look really good. However, Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and they would want these particular key terms. And so as you can see, you have 403 words, and if we go to your competitor here, Brush and Roll Incorporated, and we copy everything that you see on their page as well, so if we just do that really quickly, and then we throw it into a word counter, you can see that they are beating you by almost 200 words. And as you can see here, they have this term here, painting contractors in Augusta. Although that's not an exact match key term, it is pretty relevant to one. And so that's also kind of why their content is outranking yours. Not just because they have more, but also because they have those exact, not exact, but key terms on their homepage. Okay. The second thing that I'm going to show you is backlinks. And really all that a backlink is just one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. And so if we take your header here, if we take your URL here and we throw it into Ahrefs again, it shows me your website health and the back end of your website. And as you can see, you're trusted by Google because this is their trust flow. And you do have some pretty decent health. However, you don't have any backlinks whatsoever. And if we compare Brush and Roll Painting to you, they have just a few. You are more trusted and have better health ratings, it looks. They still have backlinks, and so they are a little bit more relevant to that search term than you are. And so just in case you're not 100% sure what a backlink is, this right here is kind of the link that we're talking about. And although this does go to your website, it is a temporary no-follow link. And so it's not really passing any power because it's just here for this specific search. But if you had a link like this on a painting blog post or something to do with your city and your area, then this would become a really relevant link, and it would pass a lot of power and relevance to your website. Okay. The third and final thing that I'm going to show you has everything to do with this Google Map Pack here, and it's just about citations. And really all a citation is the business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web. And then this makes your Google My Business page a lot more relevant to the search terms as well. It just kind of verifies that you are a real business if you have your name, address, and phone number exactly how it is on your Google My Business page, also on different directories like Yelp or Facebook or even the BBB. Those are all powerful citations that could help your Google My Business rank. Okay, this is important because about 80% of the 280 people that are searching for painters in Augusta, Georgia are using a mobile device, and those mobile devices are going to be a lot more susceptible to showing this first, and it's also connected to their Google Map app, and so it's just going to be a lot more easier for them to give you a call. To be exact, one of these three here are going to get about 25% more calls than if you just ranked organically. However, just to do some simple math to show you the value of all of this, this organic listing number one typically gets about 30% of the clicks. So if there's 280 people searching every month and you're just down here in this map pack, or I'm sorry, if you're just down here in this organic listing, you still get about 30% of the clicks. That's still 84 people on your website. Of those 84, about 40% will end up giving you a call or entering their information into the lead form. And so that's still 33 to 34 people contacting you every month just from ranking here in Google. Okay. And that is, showing the organic listing as well. That's not even this map pack. Okay. So I'll let you do the rest of the math based on your close percentage and, the average profit of each job, just to kind of show you what your monthly income could be if you were to be ranking at this #1 organic spot. And then of course up here in this map pack as well. So that's really all that I have for you today. I hope that it was informative and helpful. Again, all that I ask is just a little bit of feedback, whether you just reply to this email or give me a call or text at 850-838-6092. I really do appreciate it, Mr. Barrett. Thank you.